see pirates. Phew. Gentlemen, I'm off to start planning. Please let him go.
You gonna get the birdies? Where's the birds? Go say hi to the birdies. Say hi, pretty, pretty birds. Go on. Say hi, pretty, pretty birds. Go say hi to birdies. Where's the chubby cheeks? Hi. His favorite thing is going on the roof.
By yourselves?
It's funny because he won't go off of the roof either. He just stays under, tries to roll around, but ends up rolling downward. And you know how an orange cat is. They'll go right back and do the same thing again. Hi, babies. Simba. You see the birdie? Do you see the birdies? I guess that's it. Say bye, Simba. Say bye, Simba.